Hello students, I welcome you all to class 8 maths class. Today we are going to start the first chapter and our topic is rational number. So before we start with the topic, let us first revise some of the terms. First is whole number. Every natural number as well as 0 is a whole number. Natural numbers. Counting numbers are known as natural numbers. So natural number starts from 1. Next comes integer. Every whole number and the negative of every natural number is an integer. So negative number, 0 and positive number forms the integer. Now the definition of rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Now you might say p by q is a fraction, but in a fraction, p and q are natural numbers, whereas in rational numbers, if it's written in the form of p by q, p and q are integers. Here are some examples given. Now in the example, there is 0 and 6. Now see, 0 can be written in the form of 0 by 1. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So both can be written in a fraction form. Hence we can say that 0 and 6 are also rational numbers. Now there is one condition which is given in the definition, that is the denominator q should not be equal to 0. Why? Because see, any number, when you are dividing any number by 0, the result is not defined. Hence, it is said that the denominator q should not be equal to 0. Now, here are some examples of rational numbers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. Every integer is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Any fraction, whether it's positive or negative, are rational numbers. Every terminating decimal is a rational number. Every non-terminating repeating decimal is also a rational number. Now, decimals can be easily converted into fractions. Hence, we can say that the decimals are all, whether it is terminating or non-terminating, they are rational numbers. Moving on to the important properties of rational numbers. Here we will discuss about the three properties of rational number. First property, if a non-zero integer is multiplied to the numerator and denominator. Suppose p by q is a fraction and we are multiplying same number to the numerator and denominator. The result will be called equivalent rational numbers. Now, property 2. It's similar to number 1. If a non-zero integer is a common divisor of p and q, say p and q is a rational number and we are dividing a common number from both numerator and denominator. So it will give us equivalent rational numbers. Property 3 says that let there be two rational numbers, say a by b and c by d. Then we can equate these two numbers, a by b equals to c by d. What we can do is we can cross multiply the numbers and equate this. That is, a into d will be equal to b into c. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.